and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to learn how to make a temporary inspection chamber lid. Right guys, so I'm going to try a little trick that I seen on the internet for doing decent circles or marking out decent circles. So what you're going to do is find your centre point. So this is 600 wide, so I mark 300 in, 300 off the end. Saying that I don't need to do 300 off the end. Let me just remeasure my circle. 475. 475 is 237.5-ish. So if I just do 240, I'll be our centre point. Remark my 300. And all I'm going to do on this now is put a screw in the middle. And what we're going to do is half that again, so 475, which is 475, which is there. I'm going to set our tape to that distance, and what we're going to do is just draw around, keeping the pressure. And apparently this gives you your perfect circle, which I'm finding quite hard because it's not quite tight. Maybe I'll try the other way, maybe a bit easier. I am not enjoying this. This is so cack-handed. That didn't line up at all.
It's only got to be rough though.
Yeah, I think it's got to be rough, but...
Hey.
Right, so that's sort of the circle, if you can see there. That was a crap hack, not a big fan of that, but it is what it is.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to...
So the idea, guys, is we just get a nice snug fit, a couple of mil, should be alright. Tolerance, so hopefully this is not too tight. There we go. And then what I do now is I cut another piece bigger so it sits flush on the top, and it just locks it in place and stops any muck falling down. That's exactly what we've done down there, and just a temporary lid just to stop anything falling inside the drainage. Just done another template of that, and I'm just going to cut like, I don't know, 20 mil to an inch all the way around the edge, and then we're just going to pin it all together, and that'll be our lid.
Good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaking.
What I've done there is, if you come in close, I set my jigsaw and see how it's just sort of, the line sort of sat a little bit off centre. I just followed you on that all the way around just to get a rough sort of size all the way around. Right guys, so this is all we're going to do. Pin gun, you could use screws or just hand nails. This is the bigger lid. Just chuck it on roughly size it up just so it's at the sort of centre, which is about there, and I'll just bang a load of pins through just to hold it together, and that's going to be our lid.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave a like down below if you liked the video, comment down below if you like this style of video and if you thought it was useful, and don't forget to subscribe in the top and click that notification bell to get notifications on our future videos. I'll catch you in the next one.